It's on. How's it going, everyone? So today I finally went and picked myself up a new computer. I've been waiting a really long time for this. That's why there hasn't been any videos out in the last couple weeks. I've been trying to get a vlog out for like 2 weeks now, and that computer back there just hasn't been able to cut it. So I'm super excited to get into this thing. Let's get it. So we got the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's the entry-level one, so it's got the i7 processor with the dedicated graphics. I'm hoping this thing is quite the beast. This is actually my first MacBook I've ever had, so let's dig into this thing. I've been using Windows my entire life, but seeing how videography and photography are becoming more of a important thing in my life, I figure time to get with the program. Check that out. This box looks really nice. Such a good picture. Let's see what we got here. This box is super heavy. Like, it's heavier than the actual laptop by far. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, it's super thin. That was like one of my main concerns with it, that it might be a little bit too big, but given that it's replacing a desktop, I figured not really any way it could be too big. Got a giant brick charger. This thing is heavier than the laptop itself. Check that out. Set that aside. And we got their Thunderbolt 3 charger, aka USB-C. Very solid, very long cord. Is there anything else in here? I think that's it. So there probably is going to be quite a bit of a learning curve here. I might be breaking out that user manual later, but for right now, let's just dig on into this. I got the space gray. Man, that looks really nice. I don't have the best light in here. I apologize for that, but that is excellent. Just booted right up by itself. This thing is so nice looking. It's probably going to take me a bit to get used to it and get in the swing of having a Mac, but I am super excited to get into this thing, and I will update you guys when I start actually editing some video about how it actually handles running 4K video and all the different edits and stuff like that. I'm going to be getting my Premiere Pro membership here, so I'm going to be putting together some really impressive stuff coming up soon. I've been messing around with this MacBook now for a couple hours trying to get used to it. I downloaded Premiere Pro and it's handling this video really good. This is 1080p, but it is handling it pretty good. A little sneak peek for the vlog coming up. So I'm going to try and hook it up a bit better. Catch you guys later. No stuttering, no lagging. It's handling it like a champ so far, and it's doing really well. So that's going to be about it for this week's video. Sorry it was so short. Sorry I haven't gotten one out in a couple weeks, but I'm going to keep pumping out these videos, hoping for every week, if not every other week. But a little bit of a continuity mess up here. The next 2 vlogs coming out are going to be from the last 2 weeks, stuff that I got footage of and just wasn't able to edit on my old computer, but I'm going to be cranking these things out now. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you can see whenever I upload a vlog. Also, don't forget to go follow my Instagram and my personal Instagram so you guys can see my photography that I've been really getting into. There's some really cool stuff over there. But I'll see you guys in the next one.